What time is it? About 12? It's about 12:30? It's about 12:30. Look at our street. And look at that. Look at that waterfall. Wow, I can't even get close to it. Yeah, we have already sprung leaks inside the roof already. Oh, even the shed. That hillside. All that water is absorbing into the ground where this tree is at. The tree is already leaning from its roots and age. This is an accident waiting to happen. Shit, I won't even be able to get across. That'd be too wet. Even leaking.